Check out that glow. This is a propane heater that has 6,000 BTU. Super lightweight, easy to carry. Nice hot heating element. You got your pilot button there and you're all the way up to full blast. I've got it on low. Whether you're doing picnics, you're out doing camping, things like that, this is super, I mean, it makes no noise. So you could even take it hunting with you. If you'd like to look into this, I'm gonna link it right there. They are going fast. So if you have that shopping cart there, you still have a chance to pick one of these up, and I would do it quick.